Hello and welcome to Sustainable Investing. A new prototype of the Cybertruck has just been spotted, and we'll have a look at what this new clip shows and what details we can figure out from this new prototype. This video was taken from Bernard Maltese. Some of the changes people have noticed include new side mirrors, which were previously absent on the old Cybertruck prototype. However, by law, Tesla is required to sell vehicles in the United States with side mirrors on. There were also windshield wipers, no door handles, which probably means you'd have to open the Cybertruck's doors with your own phone, fog lights, standard wheels, and some people noticed that the nose of the Cybertruck is now shorter. This new prototype of the Cybertruck that's been spotted was confirmed during Tesla's recent Q3 earnings call. Lars Moravi, Vice President of Tesla's Vehicle Engineering, had this to say, quote, "And while those point out a few key additions like rear steering, there are also a number of smaller or less visible improvements, though the product is largely true to the initial vision. We'll continue to work through the product in beta stages that we're in now and look to launch that by next year." End quote. We've also seen a couple of changes to Cybertruck on Tesla's website. Most of the Cybertruck page is the same compared to if you looked at it a year ago, except they've now removed pricing and variant options. It may mean that they want to increase prices or that the range may not be over 500 miles as they previously indicated. At this point, we don't have enough information. But what we do know is that recently, during Tesla's shareholder meeting at the beginning of October, Elon indicated that Tesla is planning to start production of the Cybertruck at the end of 2022, which is about a year from now. The Cybertruck will be built out of Gigafactory Texas to begin with. However, they first need to start producing the Model Y, and then they'll move to the Cybertruck later on. And also earlier this year, Tesla surpassed 1 million pre-orders of the Cybertruck. Of course, not all of those pre-orders will likely turn into real sales, but it shows that there's huge interest in the Cybertruck, and with only a year out from planned production, I expect that we'll get some more details about the Cybertruck and its final specs pretty soon. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Also, leave a comment down below about what you think about these new changes to the Cybertruck and if you're planning on ordering one.